Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's having a little trouble making this shape, and I finished it, and it came out pretty good. So what we want to do is take a rectangle, doesn't really matter what size, and hit P and put it at the center of the page. And then we want to take, because it's a rectangle, we can use the edit corner with your ratio locked and go to chamfered, and let's go like 2.5. You really can't go past. You know, you could put 3 and it's going to do the same thing. It won't go but so far. So now where his problem is, he Control D and he rotates it 90 degrees. And what he's doing, he's going to take this and weld it so he gets that shape. But then he's going to go up to Effects and Contour, and he's going to contour the inside like a 1/2 inch. And this is kind of where his problem is. To make this shape, so let's set our nudge factor on 20 inches. Let's break the contour apart. And let's take this one and nudge it out of the way. And then Control D and make a duplicate and rotate it 45 degrees. And then take this and weld it. And now take this one, Control D, rotate it 45 degrees. And take that and select it all and weld that and then put that in there. So I'm going to do the same colors I did before. I'm going to take this interactive or the Smart Fill tool, set on that light blue, and I'm going to put the outside. And then I'm going to get the contour or change the color to a dark blue. Now I'm going to select it all and I'm going to right click no outline. So these are two separate items. So we can take the blue and you see you have the blue selected. So now we're going to get the interactive fill tool and swipe across and then go to elliptical and put that in the middle. And then as always, put a black box around it and it really makes it stand out. And then go to Effects, Object in Order and back a page. And it really makes it stand out. This is kind of the same thing, and maybe I'll make a second video on how to create that because that's pretty cool on itself. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.